ultimate flying machine. A plane in the sand?
I don't get it.
Wings thrust, it will soar.
It's just a doodle.
A masterpiece. Now, what the is. All right, everyone, watch me draw my airplane plans.
Airplane in the sand?
Exactly. The wings go like this.
But where does it fly?
Everywhere. Now, tools, fly. All right, team, pile in. We're flying today.
Yay, let's go, let's go!
Whoa, this thing moves. Ah, too fast. Yeah, crazy. Control lever. We're spinning. Tires. It's working! Hold on!
Whoa! Too fast!
Donkey, the lever! Pull it!
This one? Oh no!
Whoa, the blades are spinning too fast! Donkey, pull the stabilizer lever!
This one?
Oops! No, the other one! It's getting worse!
Expand!
Woo-hoo! Let's go fast! Whoa, hold on! I'm coming too! Yeah! Ah, so stairs! Yeah! Let's ride! Let's get this train moving! Easy now, don't go too fast. Whoa, this is getting bumpy! This is fun! All right, team, let's get this barrel rolling!
Whoa, it's getting low!
It's accelerating! Come on! Hey, sprint there! Hee-haw! Let's ride these teams! Yay! We're flying! Woo! All right, team, hop on. Time to test this pogo.
Yay, this will be so much fun!
I have a bad feeling.
Whoa, too high! Hang on tight! I'm in! Hold on tight, everyone. Lift off. Whoa, it's spinning like a top. Whee! This is fun. Donnie, grab the rod. Whoa! And drop.
Mickey, again!
All right, team, hop on. Time to test this pogo.
Yay, this will be so much fun!
I have a bad feeling.
Whoa, too high! Hang on tight! I'm in!